Alright guys, it's hot. I'm sweating, I don't want to be here. So accidentally now, we're gonna point out a couple of things. The backhoe bucket accidentally scraped my hood of my cat eye. I am super upset about that. Don't worry about that dent. We're worried about this. This is not cool. Now, with the cat eye, we will need a windshield. I've got a guy for that. We got a little bit of a hole here. I don't know how many years that's been like that, but that ain't good. Now in today's project on the cat eye, we are gonna be replacing alternator. We're gonna look under the hood and show you guys what's going on. But first, we need to move this bucket.